1954. Scientists believed that running a mile under 4 minutes was impossible, and the human heart would explode before reaching the finish line. But an overconfident medical student, Roger Bannister, believed otherwise. And on May 6th, everything changed.
And Bannister has done it. The mile in 3 minutes, 59.4 seconds.
Within 2 months, 22 more people broke the barrier. But I was never told to run for the impossible. I was told to run for grades, to run for a job, run for a career. You see, I did everything they asked me to do. Everything was perfect. I fucking nailed it. And then I realized it's all bullshit. I chose something else. I chose to build. Some work, most don't. It's about failing fast. You work at 3 a.m. because you're excited. You become nomadic and work from anywhere. You're not trying to reach your potential anymore. You just
do it! Take away!
But every draining task is a barrier. Every tool that claims to solve it is a sweet-talking, hallucinating piece of shit. Every barrier removed. Every excuse eliminated. Every limit pushed. Between intention and execution gets you there. Roger Bannister didn't chase. He just ran towards something bigger. Choose running. Choose building. Don't chase. Run.
He's got a world record.